How to create a shared Google Drive folder. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a folder that you can share with as many people as you want. So let's get into it. So here I'm in my drive and you can see all the files that are over here. What you want to do is you want to right click anywhere, and here you can go ahead and create a folder. Right here, just name it whatever you want. So I'll just say it shared folder and create one. Give it a couple of seconds, and there we go. Now open it up and upload any file you want, right? So let's say I want to upload these images right here. I'll just drag and drop them over here, and there we go. So now uploading, give it a couple of seconds, boom. Now, while this is uploading, over here, you have the option to share. You can see over here, people, no one is added over here. These are going to be some of the emails that you have. So what you want to do is click on the shared folder over here. You can even right click over here, but just click on the folder name and scroll down. You will see the share button here. Click on share. You can copy the link, but clicking on share will allow you to create what you want. Here you can add people, groups, calendar events, whatever you want. Or what you can do is go ahead and select anyone with the link. And here you can select with either a viewer, commenter, or editor. Editor is like the highest one. It can organize, add, delete, change names, whatever you want. They can do that, right? So then just copy the link, and there you have it. Then you can share this link into your group chat with work, friends, whatever you want, and they'll be able to access this folder and this folder alone. If you have subfolders within this folder, then they'll be able to access those folders as well. But other than this folder, they won't be able to access your entire drive, just this folder right here. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you create a shared Google folder. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.